Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So in this video I'm so excited to share with you guys how I prepare a guava tea rinse for a natural hair growth. So stay tuned and watch till end. So I'm starting off with my fennel seed. This is cumin seed. I'll be using it too. Then this is dry mint leaves. If you have fresh one, you can use fresh one, but what I have is dry leaves. This is neem leaves and guava leaves. It's already washed. So I have 3 mugs of water in my saucepan. I'll be adding those leaves now. I've already added my guava leaves. Now is neem leaves. So I'll be adding my mint leaves. Just a spoon of it. This is dry mint. Also, I'll be adding my fennel seed, a spoon of it, followed by cumin seed. Then I'll give it a good stir. Now I have to turn on my heat on a high level and boil it for 15 minutes. You can see now that our tea is now ready to be sieved. It's now okay, everything, the whole ingredients is now out from the leaves. So I have to sieve it now. Now we have to sieve it. After sieving it, you have to leave it for about 30 minutes for it to cool down. I promise you that this tea smells so amazing, as in the flavor is everywhere. The smell is so good. Now we have to leave it to cool down. So now is the time for us to transfer it into a container. You can use spray bottle, anything of your choice. This is it. Our tea is now ready to be used. I promise you that this tea is so amazing. It will strengthen your hair and it will also prevent hair breakage and shedding. Thanks for watching this video. Welcome back. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and also like, comment and share my video. If you know any other thing that you would like to see on this channel, please leave it in the comment section below.